Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing well. I'm also fine. Thank you for giving me a great opportunity to say something in front of you. My name is Syamur Rahman, batch number 27, ID number is 1235. Anyway, I'll try my level best to deliver my short speech about today's topic. And today's topic is about the future of the earth. Well, at first I will ask you a question. Do you know how the earth is changing? Well, the earth is changing rapidly. Climate change, pollution, population growth, and technological advantages are becoming and growing so large. Then, right now, the earth is facing serious challenges like the global warming. Global warming has already increased by 1 degree Celsius. Global warming has already increased by 1 degree Celsius since 18th century. The ice caps are melting, sea levels are rising, and oceans are being polluted. Weather events like windstorm, thunders, and wildfires are becoming more extreme. On the other side, technology is also advancing rapidly. The electric vehicles are becoming famous. We are using mobile phones, computers with internet and artificial intelligence. Even space exploration is opening new doors, and some people believe that one day we live in other planets. Overall, the future of the earth is not just something it will just happen, it's by own. It's something that we are creating right now. So that's it. This is the end of my test. This is the end of my speaking. I hope you understand. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day. Thank you everyone.